Hello guys, education with business. How to invest $100 in stocks beginner guide step by step. Hello everyone, if you want to start investing in the stock market but do not know where to begin, this video is for you. Today I will explain stock market investing in a very simple and beginner friendly way. Three first and part fast. The stock market is a place where people buy share of companies. When you buy a share, you become a small owner of that company. If if the company grows, the value of your investment can also grow over time. Part 2 and trick second. Investing helps your money grow faster than saving it in a bank account. Over the long term, the stock market has happened many people build wealth but and beat inflation. Part 3. If you are beginner, always think long term. Do not try to make quick money. Short term trading is risky for beginners. Focus on investing for year do no days. Part 4. Every investment has some risk. Prices can go up to and down in short term, so only invest money that you do not need immediately. This video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor. Never, never put all your money into one stock. Invest in a different companies or stocks. This is called advi- diversification and helps reduce risk. You do not need a lot of money to start investing. You can start with a small amount and invest regularly. For example, investing even $100 every month can make a big difference in the long term. Do not invest based on rumors or social media hype. Avoid emotional decisions. Always learn the basic before putting your money into market. Successfully investing need and discipline. Start early, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please like and the, the video and the subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching.